Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Stockmarketchuy. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but we're back again. If you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys like investing content. Also, make sure you guys join the paid membership. There's only actually one more spot remaining. Somebody took it before we started the live. If you guys want to know what's in here, and then obviously right here, one more spot remaining. I have proven results. I make over $2,000 per month selling options. You guys are going to learn and earn. You guys get access to my trades and the reason behind them. You guys are building wealth with me, growing your passive income with dividend investing and selling options as well. You guys get my phone number. You guys get the selling options course for beginners. You guys get weekly Zoom calls. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get real-time trade alerts, and then you guys get stocks that I'm buying or that I'm selling. And then if you guys do have any questions, please let me know. Also, make sure you guys join the free Discord link down below. Obviously, this is the paid one right here. This is the Cash Flow Kings, and this one's only if you remember, but this is the free one. So in here, we're always just chatting it up, and then there's always new people, so make sure you guys join as well. But alrighty, let's see how we are doing. So for today, we're actually pretty much breaking even, up maybe like $100. For the 1 week, I'm up 1.8K. For the 1 month, down $763. 3 months, I'm up 9% or 14.5K. Year to date, up 4K or 2.3%. And for the 1 year, up 36%. And then really quick, let's take a look at the retirement account. So here is the retirement account. This one's actually doing better. So for the 1 day, up 0.4%. For the past week, up 1.7%. 1 month, up 0.0%, basically. 3 months, up 13%. Year to date, this one's doing pretty good. Up 7%. For the 1 year, this one is up 43%. So this one is definitely doing a lot better than the regular brokerage account. But the retirement one, that one is definitely doing better because the TS, I held a lot more Tesla, but I sold it recently. But that is how the portfolios are doing. And then here is everything that I am selling options on. This one, hopefully, ChubQ does not go above 57 by tomorrow at night because I don't have to sell it because I still have 200 shares. And then let's see what the price is. The last price was 56.7. So as long as it stays below 57, we'll be all right. But actually, let's take a look at the stocks that I hold. So here I have AMD, SSO. This is a 2 times leverage on the S&P 500. Nike, JetQ, TNA. This one's 3 times leverage on the Russell 2000. HIMS, Celsius, QQQI, NVDX is a double leverage on NVIDIA. SOXL, three times leverage on the it's called SMH, the semiconductor space. I have SoFi, SGov. This one is just basically to hold cash. I have Amazon as well, SPYI, JetP, Starbucks, and then SEHT. So all of these are definitely long-term holds, and I definitely plan on holding all of these for until it makes no reason to hold them anymore. And then here are all of the covered calls / cash good puts. So all of these I basically own already except for Riot. So Riot I used to hold, but I sold them off because they went crazy. I think I bought them at like $8 or $9, and then they just went straight up to like $12 or $13. So I had to like buy back my covered calls, and then I just bought the shares off, if that makes any sense. And then Riot, SoFi, that's looking pretty good. But yeah, everything else seems to be pretty good. And then here's the retirement account. Everything that I hold 300 shares of Celsius, 200 of SoFi, 100 of SOXL, and then Clean Spark. And then I have a cash secured put that is set to expire next Friday. Same thing with the covered call. and Clean Spark covered call as well. Oh, and the Celsius covered call as well. And then these two are set to expire 1 week after that. I have NVDX and SoFi. So let's see. And then now let's take a look at the Webull and the M1 Finance portfolio really quick. Let me stop sharing for a second. There we go. I'm going to pull up the M1 Finance and my Webull account. Login. And then my bad guys, give me 1 second. It sends me on code on here. All right, so that one we are good in. And now involves passive income. And then let me go to Webull.com. And then this one is a little bit easier to get inside. Maybe. I don't remember it being this difficult to get inside. What the heck? Webull, please. Nope. Here it is. All right, let me get this back on the road. Add stage. Okay, there we go. All right, so here's the brokerage account for M1 Finance. And then here's the year to date. Well, 1 day we're down. 1 week up a little bit. 1 month we're up as well. 3 months. Oh, and then I forgot that I put in some money right here. I put in around $400. But year to date, here's how it's doing. Up 0.57%, $128, $123 in collected dividends, and then market gains of negative $80. So here's how this one is doing. We have around $8,000 in here. And then here's the Webull account. So the Webull, this one is doing very good, if I might say. We'll just use year to date, and then year to date, and then year to date. So year to date, and then I also deposit $150 into this account every single week. So you guys have to take that into account as well. So we were pretty much stuck at $6,600, but we've been ever since, because TSM had their earnings today and they did very well. So that's why this one shot up quite a bit. And then we also had the good news as well. And then here's the account's P&L. Obviously, it went down right here because that's when the market was taking a dip. But now we're back up at over 6% on this account, beating the Dow Jones. But rather look at the S&P 500 because that's the standard. When we're beating the S&P 500. Here's never mind, I'm not gonna show that. But yeah, as you guys can see, we're doing pretty good with selling options on this account too. And then this one right here is just for strictly dividends. The M1 Finance portfolio is just for passive income. I was gonna make this one to where this one pays some of the bills. But we're gonna start off very light with this one and only have like one bill. We're gonna start on, I think it was in February, so that's what this one will be used for, is to pay off the bills with the dividends that we do receive. And then I usually try to put in $400 per week inside this account, and this is just I also have some where is it, earn money, so I have around 6K in here, and that's where this $400 comes from. And then a lot of the money that has been coming from the high yield savings account has been coming from Robinhood, just because I've been making lots of good money with selling options on Robinhood. So transferring this money, like I make my money at my job, then I transfer it to Robinhood, and then once we have like a very good month, then I send it over to M1 Finance, and then this is where the main dividend portfolio is. Like on here, I do have like a lot of money inside dividend paying ETFs, right? But it's not as much as like how much the portfolio is worth, because like we'll say like 14K, 14 plus 8 is 22, 22 plus, we'll call it 4, 26, and then 26 plus 3, so like around 29K is in monthly paying ETFs on this one. But on the M1 Finance one, this one is just going to be strictly dividend paying ETFs. And then I used to have where are they? XCT, RDT, and YMAX, YMAG, and then QDT. But I sold them off just because I saw that their NAV was eroding. So I want to have like the balance of having the portfolio grow and then having the dividends grow as well. So I want to make sure that that stays intact. So that's why I got rid of these ones, just because I saw it on the wall where they were just declining little by little. So yeah, I decided to get rid of these. And then, like I said, here are all the ones that I hold. Here I hold JEPB, QQQI, SPYI, and JEPQ. And then by far my favorite one is JEPB or JEPQ, just because it's super reliable, and honestly, it's been doing absolutely amazing. And then here is how they are doing so far. Not too bad, if I must say so. And then here's the dividends that we're supposed to receive for this year. But like I said, this will just keep growing because we're gonna keep reinvesting the dividends, and then gonna keep putting at least. I know $400 isn't gonna be every single week, so probably $150 every single week. It's gonna keep getting invested into this account. So then the snowball can keep compounding faster and faster. And then on this one, I invest about $150 every single week. And then that doesn't include the covered call / cash good put money that I do get. Because I don't know where it says, but so as of right now, I have $1,600 in unsettled cash, so I can sell cash good puts. I could do one on NVDX, but I feel like I have too much exposure to the semiconductor space already, so I don't want to do that. I was gonna wait for Tesla to have a little bit of a pullback, but Tesla has just been staying around the same range, to be honest with you guys. So yeah. So as of right now, this one I don't really have anything like any positions that I want to sell cash could puts on, just because for me the market's a little bit too high. But obviously I could be wrong, and the earnings could be absolutely amazing. But yeah, those are just my 2 cents. But here's the 4 portfolios that are here. But alrighty, guys, this has been everything. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you guys do have any other questions, let me know. And then I just showed you guys all of the proof. Make sure you guys do become a member. Like I said, here's everything that you do get. You get proven results from somebody who's been making over $2,000 per month selling options. You guys are gonna earn. You guys get my trades and the reasons behind them. You guys are building wealth with dividend investing and then selling options as well, and then price appreciation as well. That's the third thing. You guys get my phone number. You guys get the selling options course for beginners. You guys get weekly Zoom calls. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get real-time trade alerts, and you guys get stocks that I'm buying or stocks that I'm selling, depending on what time it is and what time and how I'm feeling about the stock market. But alrighty, guys, this has been everything. And then here's the portfolio as of right now, basically 176K. So still doing pretty good. And then here's the year to date. And then I forgot to show you guys how the QQQ is doing. So we're definitely beating the QQQ. So this one is down 0.28%. Oh, year to date. Yeah, down basically 0.3%. And then I'm up 2.3%. So basically beating it by over 2.5%. And then here's the 1 year for my portfolio. 36%, and then the QQQ is up. Is up 20, we'll call it 26%. So we're beating it by over 10%. But alrighty guys, this has been everything. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Thank you.